What's up, I'm Nixie. I built this crypto trading journal in Notion and you can use it completely for free. So here's how it works. So the journal is pretty straightforward and simple to use. Actually, I've written a toggle here on how exactly it works, but if you get stuck, you can always send me a message. Down here we have the trading log, where you can set your date of the trade, your account and pair, and your position size. Then you enter the entry and exit and select the strategy. Everything else is then automatically calculated. Here we also have a reason for entry for basically emotions and all of that stuff that you can log in. Here we have the trades overview, where you see how you're doing, the won trades, the lost trades, so you don't have to dig through all of the data above here. There's also a calendar view, which is one of my favorite parts of the template. You can see your trading activity over time. If you're journaling consistently, you're already ahead of most people. This journal is actually a simplified version of my crypto trading OS, so I put it inside this template so you can check the website for more info. The full system goes much deeper, things like risk management and leverage, automatic calculations and more advanced analytics. But I didn't want this to feel overwhelming. This version keeps just the essentials, the logging, the reviewing and building the journaling habit. You can use this one on its own forever, or later move into the full system if you want more structure. And if you ever want something fully personalized for trading, business or life systems, I also build custom Notion setups from scratch. The link for this trading journal is in the description. You'll also find links to the full system and my custom work there. If this helped you in any way, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.